Every year, people around the world come together to remember Imam Hussain alayhi salam and the stand he made at Karbala. Arbaeen marks 40 days since the martyrdom of Imam Hussain, the grandson of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alih. At Karbala, he refused to surrender his principles in the face of injustice. Centuries later, his courage and sacrifice continue to inspire people across the world. The great journey towards Karbala in Iraq remains at the heart of Arbaeen, but its remembrance is no longer limited to one country. Arbaeen walks now take place in communities across the world, including here in London, connecting local participants with a much larger global movement. On the streets of London, the diversity of those attending is immediately visible. People from many nationalities, ethnicities, and cultural backgrounds walk alongside one another. They may speak different languages and come from very different walks of life, but they are united by their remembrance of Imam Hussain alayhi salam. Despite these differences in age, language, and background, everyone is moving in the same direction and for the same purpose. Arbaeen creates a sense of unity that reaches beyond nationality and culture. For some people watching from the streets, this may be their first encounter with Arbaeen. The procession gives them an opportunity to ask who Imam Hussain was, what happened at Karbala, and why his story still matters today. A message that began in the 7th century in Iraq has crossed cultures, generations, and borders. Today it is being remembered openly in a modern, Western capital, showing that the values of justice, sacrifice, and human dignity are not restricted to one place or one people.